Today we're sailing slash motor sailing slash motoring from Georgetown, Bahamas, all the way down to Turks and Caicos, about 250 miles. And we are just now rounding the north shore of Long Island. It's been a pretty rough day. We left at 8:30 this morning. It's now 2 p.m. We're going to be making a sizable turn here in about 25 seconds. But it's been a bit rough. You can see it's very rolly. Hopefully when we turn it'll be a little better angle. We will see. Looks like we just turned and definitely a little better. There's 5 of us on board today and we're bobbing up and down. Hello, Jill and Eric. Yeah. There's Rihanna. And there's Danny taking a nap. I think it's definitely better.